Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 3rd of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Antech Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now, and this chart is a little bit messy, but I still think we're gaining, and you've had a little bit of a corrective candle yesterday, but again we've sort of found support and it looks to be pushing higher. Interesting that it's sort of to a certain extent coming off the back of this 23.6% fib level, 113.50. But you'd still say, looking at the the momentum indicators, they're all still moving positively. Nice gains or acceleration higher on the stochastics, and also the MACD lines rising, RSI rising. So you're still sort of confident of the continued recovery in this move. Yesterday's high, 114.55. Is your initial resistance, you'd argue, and that sort of protects the 114.87, and at that point at 114.87 you start to get a load of overheads resistance coming in, so still would need to be a considerable effort to get through that. You've got the 38.2% fib level, you've got these key lows. That 115.50 level is the massive old low, which was a 2-year low, and then you sort of up towards 116.50 as sort of the big lows as well from August 2015, and also supportive lows from January. So there's quite a lot of overhead supply still protecting further gains, but at the moment the momentum indicators are turning around, and you are seeing a net gain on this chart. Here's the hourly chart. You can see the sort of recovery play out, and this is the latest recovery. Higher lows and higher highs in the last sort of week and a half now, moving and using this 113.15 pivot level. Interestingly enough, I spoke about that previously, and again yesterday, pretty much not far off to the tick. 113.19, use that as the low. So I think this is that is sort of your near-term pivot line in there, isn't it? 113.15. So you're positive above there. You're also positive because you'd be above all the moving averages as well, so that's decent. Momentum indicators sort of bordering on positive, not massively positive, but still. You've seen the MACD lines unwind to neutral, then turn higher. So you'd still be looking out for using little intraday dips as a chance to buy. And 113.15 is that nice pivot line in there. So that is the pressure. That is yesterday's high, which is the resistance 14.55. But it certainly looks like it's pushing higher and continuing the recovery. So that is good for risk generally, I think. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today on dollar yen, and I'll speak to you later, I think.